Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to repot your Ficus Ginseng Bonsai. First, gather all your necessary tools, including sharp pruning shears, a root hook or chopstick, and fresh bonsai soil. Select a new pot that is 1 to 2 inches larger in diameter than the current one to allow for root growth. Prepare a well-draining soil mix, ideally a specialized bonsai blend, to ensure proper aeration and moisture retention for your ficus. Next, carefully remove your Ficus ginseng from its old pot. Gently loosen the soil around the edges and lift the tree out, being mindful of the roots. Use a root hook or chopstick to carefully untangle and spread out the root ball, inspecting for any damaged or circling roots. Prune away about 1/3 of the outer and bottom root mass to encourage new, healthy growth and maintain the bonsai's compact size. Now, place a screen over the drainage holes of your new pot and add a thin layer of fresh bonsai soil. Position your Ficus Ginseng Bonsai centrally in the pot, ensuring its base is at the desired height. Carefully spread the roots over the new soil. Fill the remaining space with your prepared soil mix, gently working it around and under the root ball to eliminate any air pockets. After repotting, thoroughly water your Ficus ginseng until water drains from the bottom of the pot. This helps settle the soil around the roots. Place your bonsai in a shaded or semi-shaded location for several weeks to help it recover from the repotting stress. Avoid direct sunlight during this period. Resume regular watering once the topsoil begins to dry. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home as pristine as your bonsai.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.